This video walks through turning on the Analysis Tool Pack in Excel for Windows. The Analysis Tool Pack allows you to perform some additional statistical analysis within Microsoft Excel. To enable the Analysis Tool Pack, begin by clicking on the File tab. Move to the bottom of the menu that is displayed and click Options. In the window that comes up, move down the left side to the Add-ins tab and click on that. At the bottom of the Add-ins window is a box titled Manage. Make sure that this box reads Excel Add-ins. If it does not, click the down arrow and choose Excel Add-ins. Once the box displays Excel Add-ins, click Go. This displays the Add-ins window. In the Add-ins window, you should be able to find a checkbox titled Analysis Tool Pack. Click the checkbox and say OK. This should enable the Data Analysis Tool Pack. To check, click the Data tab, and then at the far right end of the ribbon, you should now see Data Analysis.